If you want to copy images from an eBay listing, whether for reference, research, or personal use, there are a few simple ways to do it. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to copy pictures from an eBay listing step by step. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to download or save images easily on both desktop and mobile. First, open the eBay website and go to the listing that contains the images you want to copy. Once the product page loads, click on the main image to open the full-size gallery view. This will give you a clearer and higher resolution version of the image. If you're using a computer, right-click on the image and select Save Image As. Then choose the folder where you want to save the image and click Save. This will download the image directly to your device. If right-click is disabled or not working, you can try opening the image in a new tab. To do this, right-click on the image and select Open Image in New tab. Once the image opens separately, you can right-click again and save it easily. On mobile devices, tap and hold on the image until you see options appear. Then select Download Image or Save to Photos, depending on your device. The image will be saved directly to your gallery. Another method is to take a screenshot of the image if saving is restricted. While this may reduce image quality slightly, it is a quick and reliable way to capture the picture. Always make sure you're using the images appropriately. If you plan to reuse them for selling or commercial purposes, it's important to respect copyright rules and avoid using someone else's images without permission. In this tutorial, we learn how to copy pictures from an eBay listing by opening the image gallery, saving images on desktop or mobile, and using alternative methods like screenshots. These steps make it easy to access and store images for your need. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more simple step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.